Hello friends, today topic of discussion is measurement of magnetic bearing of a line. By using theodolite, we can calculate vertical angle as well as horizontal angle. And now in today's lecture we see how to calculate magnetic bearing of a line by using theodolite. As we know, what is magnetic bearing or magnetic reading? It is nothing but the angle calculated with respect to north in a clockwise direction is known as magnetic bearing. Now, over here as we can see, we have to calculate the magnetic bearing of line AB by using what? By using theodolite. As we know, in theodolite there is not such arrangement or provision of your compass to show the north line. So what we can do? First of all, set up your instrument at station A, do all the temporary adjustments required, leveling, centering, setting up. After that, we have to focus the eyepiece and then set the vernier to the zero of the horizontal circle. Vernier A 0 degree, vernier B 180 degree. Now, after this, what we have to do? Over your telescope, we have to use a trough compass. So, we have to keep the trough compass over the telescope of our theodolite, and then by losing lower clamp screw and tightening upper clamp screw, we have to rotate the instrument till we get magnetic north, or our needle is freely suspended and it will get magnetic north. By using trough compass, then we have to calculate or see the north line. So what we have to do now? We have to lose the lower clamp screw and tight the upper clamp screw and rotate the telescope in any direction till we get magnetic north in your trough compass. After knowing the magnetic north, we have to tight lower screw as well. Now, our telescope is in the direction of magnetic north. After which, we have to bisect the ranging rod at station B by losing the upper clamp screw and turning the telescope in a clockwise direction. Bisect the ranging rod at B and tight your upper clamp screw. Now read the verniers A as well as vernier B. Calculate and read both the readings. By knowing both the readings of vernier A and B, we can find out the magnetic bearing of line AB by taking mean of these two readings. Of these two readings of vernier A and vernier B. Then we have to repeat this process in second phase, that is in right phase. Again, what we have to do? We have to first set A vernier 0, B vernier 180 degree, then tight your upper clamp screw, loose the lower clamp screw, keep the tough compass over your telescope, and now rotate the telescope till we get a magnetic north in your trough compass. After this, tight upper as well as lower clamp screw. Now, we have to bisect the ranging rod at B by turning the telescope in clockwise direction. So, lose your upper clamp screw as we have to calculate the angle. If your upper clamp is tight, the reading is fixed. To calculate reading, we have to lose the upper clamp. So, lose upper clamp and rotate it in clockwise direction. Bisect the ranging rod at B. Tight the upper clamp. Now, take the reading in vernier A as well as in vernier B. Now calculating reading in A as well as B, taking the average of both of this will get an angle AB, magnetic angle or magnetic bearing AB of your right face. By knowing left face and right face, taking the average of both these readings will get actual reading of your magnetic angle AB. So the magnetic angle can be also find out by using your telescope and the theodolite. It is not required to have prismatic or surveyor compass all the time. We can use simply the trough compass and the telescope of your theodolite. Thank you.